Hello, in this video tutorial, we continue our acquaintance with the Vue.js UI Builder and will analyze in detail the process of creating custom fields and custom scripts for Bitrix24. Let's start by creating a custom field. Open the application and click the Add button. Select the type Custom Field. A form with several fields appears. Here you need to fill in the name of the custom field. Code. This code is used for identification in Bitrix24. It is generated automatically and cannot be changed. Description of the custom field can be filled in if necessary. Each custom field has options. Next to it, an information icon is displayed. Click on it and see that currently only one setting is available: cell height. Now that we have understood the parameters for creating a custom field, let's move on to practice. We will create two examples related to custom fields. The first is a simple button field that, when clicked, displays the message "Hello World." The second is a multifunctional block with extended logic. Let's start with a simple custom field. Enter the name of the custom field. Action. We recommend using a prefix for the name to more easily distinguish created fields from standard ones. In our example, we will use the Latin letter U as a prefix. Click Create. We see that the custom field has appeared. Now let's go to development mode. Delete all unnecessary code. Add a method that will send the Hello World message. Then create a button in the template section. Bind the previously created method to a click on the button. Let's see what the button looks like. Now it is stretched to full width. Let's make it so that it does not stretch. Add a container section and align the button to the center. Click Render. We see that there is still a margin at the top. Let's remove this margin. Click Render again. Now click on the button. We see that the message Hello World appears, as intended in the code. Save the form. Disable development mode. Go to the lead card Test 2. Click Create Field. Find our field action and select it. Specify the name Action. Click Save. The button Click Me appears. Click on it. The message Hello World appears. Everything works according to our logic. The field currently takes up too much space. Let's reduce its size. Go back to the application. Click the Edit button. In the Options field, change the height value to 40. Click Apply. Return to the lead card. Refresh the page. We see that the field has become more compact, exactly what we wanted. Now let's create a second custom field, multifunctional block. Go to the application. Click Add. Specify the name Form and add a prefix. Set the row height to 100. Click Create. Since in this example we will have to work with input data, in order not to copy them from one web development form to another, we will add our custom field to the lead card and open development mode directly from the card. Go to the lead card Test 2. Refresh the page so that the created field appears. Select the created field. Specify the name and click Save. Now click the Development button. Delete unnecessary code. Paste the pre-prepared code. Click Render. Let's analyze this code in detail. Step 1. Product type selection. The user selects one of three options: website, mobile application, or CRM system. When the value changes, the selected option is immediately saved to the form data object. This creates a two-way binding between the drop-down list and the form data. Additionally, with each change, a save method is called, which sends the current data to Bitrix24. If website is selected, two fields appear. The first field is a drop-down list for selecting the website type. The second field is a checkbox SEO optimization required. If mobile application is selected, platform selection items and a checkbox offline mode support are displayed. If CRM system is selected, appears selection of CRM type and field for entering the number of users. After each selection, the save method is triggered. This is ensured by change events in the form elements. All data is transmitted through two-way binding, which allows the interface and data to always be synchronized. The code also uses element scaling to make the form look more compact. In the script block, we see the form object in the data section. It stores all current values of the form fields. The save method converts the form data to JSON, and at this stage simply outputs the result to the console to check the logic. Now save the form, disable development mode, open the lead card test2 in a new tab. We see that the form appears, but does not fully fit in the current view. Go back to the application. Click the Edit button opposite our created field. Set the height value to 170 and click Apply. Return to the lead card. Refresh the page. Now the form is displayed completely, exactly as we need. Now create a field to save all information from the form. Click Create Field. Select Type, String. Specify the name, JSON data form. Set the field to always be displayed. This is needed for debugging and checking data saving. Click Save. To find out the code of this field, let's enter test data into it. For example, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Save the lead card. Go to the application. Open the API debugger. Enter the method, CRM lead get. Open the lead test2 again to see its ID. We see its ID is 4. Return to the API debugger. In the data, specify the ID value as 4. Click Send. In the window that appears, find our test data 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus, we have determined the code of our field. Copy this code. Go to the web development form. In the save method, paste the field code where we will save the JSON data and temporarily comment it out. This is necessary so as not to forget the field name. Now let's figure out where the lead ID is stored. Add fields to data and assign it the values of the input data. Now add fields to the template section. Save the result. Open the lead card and reload the page. We see the route to the lead ID, which matches the card ID. Remember this route. Return to the web development form. Create a constant that stores the ID of the current lead. Now add to the save method saving data from the form to the JSON data form field. Write the lead update function. First, specify the function for calling the Bitrix API. The first parameter is the lead update function itself. The second parameter is an object in which we specify the ID of our lead and fields. In fields, insert the previously commented field and assign it the value of the form. Thus, when calling the save function, we send all data to our created JSON field. Save the form. Go to our lead, refresh the page. Enter any information in the form fields. We see that the data in the JSON data form field changes. Refresh the lead page. Now the data of the form field is reset. This happens because when loading the card, values are not pulled from the JSON data form field. Let's do the reverse. Load data from the JSON data form field into our form. Go to the web development form. Create a mounted hook. It triggers when the form is initialized. Inside, add a method for getting data from Bitrix24. Then wrap the request in error handling. Now get the data from our custom field JSON data form. Parse the JSON data and output them to the form. Save the form. Go to the lead card. Refresh the page. Now we see that when opening the card, the form data is automatically filled from the JSON data form field. This example is fully implemented. Now we can hide the service field JSON data form. We have finished working with buttons and made sure that they can perform any actions. Now let's move on to another type of embedding. Custom script. This type of embedding opens in a separate slider. Go to the application and click the Add button. Select the edition type, Custom Script. Specify the name. Script first. Change the code according to the name. Click Create. We see that a custom script has appeared. Go to Development Mode. Add display of input data. Save the form. We see that the input data is displayed. Turn off Development Mode and close Web Development. Now change the existing action button so that when clicked, our script opens. Go to the Web Development form. To understand how to open a custom script, open the Help section. Next, go to the Technology Stack and API methods and find the function we need. We see that the first parameter is the script code. The second parameter is the data to pass to the script. The third parameter is the caching key. If the third parameter is null, then the script is loaded from the server, which takes time. When a number is specified, the code is saved in the browser cache and loads faster. When the form code changes, the key must be replaced with a new value. Otherwise, the old version of the script will be loaded. In our example, we will leave the value null, i.e., without caching. Copy our method and close the Help section. Now make changes to the Show method, which is called when the button is clicked. Remove unnecessary things and insert the script call. As a parameter, we pass an object containing the input data and the current timestamp. Save. Go to the lead card. Refresh the page. Click the button. And a slider with our script opens. We also see an object with the past data. Conclusion. With custom fields, you can create a variety of actions. For example, start business processes, make a button unavailable while the process is running, or change the stage directly through a button. Such fields can be added to any CRM cards and smart processes, as well as to business processes. Business processes have their own nuances, which you can learn about in the video tutorial. Example 6. Custom field in business processes. With custom scripts, you can open forms in a slider, make changes, and, through the received input data, work with the necessary elements. This concludes the current video tutorial. Thank you for watching until the end. I wish you successful work with Bitrix24 and bold ideas for automation.